Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you WhatsApp privacy settings to turn off now. So basically, we're talking about privacy here. So you just have to open your WhatsApp, go to settings, and then you have to locate privacy. So if you want to remain private, such as you don't want anyone to see if you're online or not, you can go to this last in online and you can turn off everyone by tapping this nobody or my contacts who can see when I'm online, you can tap the same as last seen. So if you don't want to share when you were last seen online, you won't be able to see when other people were last seen online. But it's okay. You can tap this one. So whenever you log in again or whenever you're online, nobody or no one can see that you're online here in WhatsApp. Profile photo, who can see my profile photo? You can turn off this everyone by tapping my contacts or nobody. So basically, they can only see like a blank or a no face human is like a blank profile pic. Also for about, you can turn off this everyone by tapping nobody, my contacts. If you don't want your friends to see some information about you or other people to see information about you can tap this nobody here or my contacts. Now, if you want your WhatsApp account not to be visible to your friends on Facebook, you can just disconnect your account by tapping this. If you have connected your account, you can disconnect your account by tapping this and disconnect your Facebook. Let's go with your groups right here. So we can add me to groups. You can tap my contacts only and turn off receiving calls from unknown people by turning this one on. So silence unknown callers, you have to toggle this on. So you don't want to receive calls from anonymous people or people who are not in your contact list. So by following this instruction to your privacy settings, somehow it will make your account more private. Okay, so basically, this is how you turn off some settings here in your WhatsApp account. I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.